welcome to my channel. So today we're going to make a red cabbage indicator. Hi Annabelle, can you tell everyone what they need to do today's experiment, please?
You need red cabbage, a bowl, a sieve, or hot water, a knife, a grown-up, and if you're a teenager, you can stick with yourself if you have a grown-up.
Thank you very much. Right, shall we get started?
Yeah.
So the first thing we're going to do is, I'm going to use the knife. Annabelle, you have to film now.
Ow.
Hold the camera. Okay. So I'm going to use the knife because I'm a grown-up to cut some red cabbage up. I hope you can see this okay. And chop it up nice and finely. And this is why you need a grown-up if you're using a big, massive knife. And then I'm going to put this red cabbage in a bowl, just like this. And then Annabelle, you can... Okay, well done Annabelle, that was great tearing. So now we've got a jug full of red cabbage, and this is the bit you're going to need a grown-up for, because you need them to pour hot water, ideally out the kettle, onto your red cabbage, okay? And then we're going to leave that to soak for about 5 minutes. So if we all just hang around and wait, only kidding, we'll see you in 5 minutes. Bye. Okay, so what we're going to do now, don't eat that, is we're going to pour our liquid through our strainer. And the reason we're using a strainer is to catch all these bits of cabbage. Oh, can you pick it up a bit, please, darling? Oh. Whoa. There we go. I think we've got most of the liquid in there now. Thank you, Annabelle.
I was actually about to pour the lettuce in there.
No, it's not lettuce, it's cabbage.
I was
Here we
about.
go. So that's our red cabbage indicator. So now Annabelle is going to pour a little bit into our bowls. Don't lick it. Just pour a bit into the little bowls, Annabelle. Just a tiny bit. Because we want to be able to test loads of different things. You can put a bit more than that. Okay, perfect.
It went on my hand.
It's all right. It's only cabbage. Okay, do you want me to do the next one then?
No, I can.
Oh dear. What's wrong, Alexander?
Oh my god, that is way too much.
No, that's fine. So the first thing we're going to test is a bit of vinegar. Let's see what the vinegar does to it, Annabelle. Pour a bit in.
I know it's going to be.
What's happened to it? Keep going.
Oh my gosh! No, the vinegar.
Wow, okay.
Loads of vinegar.
Okay, that's enough. So vinegar's turned it what colour?
Pink!
Pink. Do you know what if vinegar is an acid or an alkali?
Tell us down in the comments.
Sorry for the disruption. Some bicarbonate of soda. Well, that's quite a bit. Okay, put it in. Give it a stir.
What? It's blue.
It's blue. Now, I can tell you that's because vinegar is an acid and bicarbonate of soda is an alkali. So now we're going to get some more things to test. We'll be right back. So we've got 8 things to test. So do you want to go for it, Annabelle? Tell us what you're testing first.
I'm testing. Try and guess what I'm testing.
Orange juice?
Yes, it's orange juice. It's Tropicana from McDonald's. I'm going to test this one out.
Before the lockdown. Okay, that's enough.
Ooh, it's turned a peachy colour.
So that means it's a little, is it more like an acid, Annabelle, or more like an alkali?
Acid.
That's right, yeah, it's more like an acid, right.
So this goes in the acid group. Where is the acid group?
Start the acid group there. Okay, what about this one?
Lemon juice.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't know. I didn't.
Oh, okay.
It's the same as the orange juice. It's an acid.
Very good. That's a nice pink, actually. Right, okay, what's this one?
Soap.
Soap.
soap that when I use on my hands, it really hurts. Oh, it's going.
Can you give that a little stir if you want to?
It's an alcohol.
No, not alcohol.
What's it called?
Alkali.
Alkali.
Is it?
Yeah, look.
Or is it staying purple?
It stayed purple.
So that means it's neutral.
Neutral.
It's not an acid or an alkali. It's in the middle. Very good. Right, I'm going to put this one over here. Okay, thank you. Right, for some reason Annabelle wanted to try olive oil, so we'll try a bit of olive oil.
Olive oil. Is olive oil like really scares me?
Okay, stop.
What?
Now, what's the problem with this one, Annabelle?
It stayed purple.
What's happened to the oil? Is it actually mixing?
No.
Mmm.
Big bubble.
Staying on top of the water, so we'll leave that there because we can actually use that for a different experiment. Right.
This one.
Okay, what's this one called?
What? Try and guess.
No, just tell us.
Okay, it's white wine vinegar.
Okay.
So I know it's going to be a vinegar.
Okay, so what colour do you think it's going to go?
I think it's going to go pink.
Okay.
Because that's vinegar.
Yeah, okay, that's a good
And this is another
guess.
easy.
Very good. Wow, okay, and for the next ones, I'm going to need to do these, aren't I?
Why?
Because they're cleaning products and children can't. For these, it's very important that you get a grown-up because, here, look.
Even if you're
Somewhere.
a teenager, you still need to get a grown-up.
Keep out of reach of children. Okay, let's try Sif.
Ooh, I don't know what. It's blue, it's blue, it's blue, it's green,
gonna
it's
get a
green,
little-
it's green, it's green. Hi, I want to mix it. It's green.
It's green. Right, Annabelle, careful. Do not spill it, please.
I have
Thank
no
you.
idea what that is.
So green, is that an acid or an alkali?
Acid.
Nope.
Alkali.
Yeah. Right, and bleach. Move your hand, darling.
Obviously.
Again, this is a grown-up one. Look, those symbols. Maybe my science class can tell us what those mean in the comments. They're very good at these. But look, danger. Keep out of reach of children, okay?
You scared me when you said danger. It's green again.
It's green again.
What?
It's a different colour green.
It's brown, it's brown, it's brown.
Oh,
It's yellow, it's yellow.
it's yellow. Ooh, we might have to...
What is it?
I'm not sure which one is more alkaline then. We'll have to Google it and have a look in a minute. Or maybe...
That is yellow.
That is yellow. That's really yellow.
literally
Right, and then the last one, this pink stuff again. Annabelle, let go. You see here, keep out of reach of children. So if you're doing these, guys, you've got to do with your grown-up. Oh, the pink stuff is making bubbles.
Bubble.
But it's not really changing the colour.
It's not changing. Oh, it's turning blue, I know.
Is it?
It's turning like a darkish blue. Look at the leaf.
Yeah, put some more in then. Maybe I shouldn't be spraying it. It smells nice.
It looks like a dark
Better than cabbage.
blue. Looks like a dark bubbly blue colour. Oh, it doesn't look like a bubbly blue. It just looks like this
Bubbly blue. Right, okay. So as you can see, we've got a wide range of acids all through to neutral. This one was just water from the tap. And then we go through to our acids, and that was our alkalis, and that was our strongest alkali. Why don't you try making a red cabbage indicator at home? Don't forget to ask a grown-up for help. And let us know how you get on.
This was our red cabbage experiment.